Alright, so today's theme for my cook is Japanese. So first, chicken karaage or Japanese fried chicken. This is the powder that I'm gonna, cover the chicken with and fry it. I'm gonna serve it with a spicy mayo. And then I'm making pork Katsu curry. This is the breadcrumbs that I'm gonna be using to cover the pork and fry it. And this is an all vegetable curry. So basically I'm gonna do what's on here: potatoes, carrots, onions, and red bell pepper. And this is the curry block that I'm gonna put in the pot, stir it, and it'll thicken. Got the chicken, got the fry mix in the bag. No water needed for this. Just take chicken, a few pieces. So looks like that. Then drop it in oil. Alright, so this is what the chicken looks like. Got 5 minutes of frying. Use that Japanese fry mix.
That's the mix. And if I'm not mistaken, with some of these you got to twice fry. So, but this one you didn't have to twice fry. So this is pretty good. It looks a little dark, as you can see, but it does not taste burnt. It has a very nice savory taste to it. So I don't know if that's in the seasoning, if it got like mushroom in there or something. There's nothing in English on here, so I can't tell you.
I did season the,
So you season them?
Yeah.
Probably that's why. But it looks dark, but it doesn't taste like that. So it'll be food. Alright, so we're gonna let him finish wrapping this up, and then we're gonna be on to his next dish.
Okay, so for the pork katsu, it's real simple. You get seasoned pork, dunk it in the egg, like so. You put it in the panko crumbs, using a combination of regular panko and honey panko. So yeah, it's gonna be very flavorful. And once it's nice and coated, that's what it looks like. Alright, so with the oil hot, here's pork. Cook this for about 3 minutes. Okay, so for the curry, I got this pot with some rendered pork fat when I was trimming the pork for the pork katsu for extra flavor. So with that heated up, we are going to get started with white onion. Let that sweat down, and then have it sweating down. I'm gonna add the red bell pepper and carrots and the potatoes. Put water, let it simmer. Put in the brick, and we're done. All right, now that the onions have browned up a bit, the red bell pepper and carrots go next. So I added the white potato. Gonna get a nice little mix. Then I'm gonna add the water for it to simmer. Okay, so now I jerked the potatoes in here. They are fork tender. So now it's time to add this Japanese curry mix made by SMB. Made in Japan, so it's legit. Let's see what it looks like. Looks like a chocolate bar. This will be a good prank. But it's just one solid mass of curry in their sections. So you break each section, like so, into different places. You mix it in. Then you turn the heat back on to simmer, and you simmer this until it becomes thick like a curry. But here it is, the appetizer first, the chicken karaage with my spicy sriracha mayo that I made. Pretty good. And the entree, the main entree, is the pork katsu curry, vegetable curry, using the curry mix from SMB made in Japan, with of course some Japanese short grain rice. And it was a quick, kind of long process, but in the end, turned out pretty good. Alright, that concludes my Japanese cook. Thank you for watching. My next cook will either be Vietnamese or Thai. And also check out my 3 other Tyrell Cooking Dinner videos where I made something from China, something from the Philippines, my culture, and of course my favorite restaurant foods to order at Asian restaurants. And I'll see y'all in the next video.